like sports. Shit. You like sports? It's good. That's what I do. Ow! You like cats? Do you like playing games with me? Time to spot! Play it down! Go in. You don't play spots. Ow! Hello again. Hi. Hi. My name's... You like playing spots? Don't play spots at the same time. Are you recording? Are you recording? My name's Andy.
I'm Jim Harrison, the best tennis person you've ever known in the world.
You ever wrestled with a baby bear before? Oh! Oh! Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Oh! You ever played soccer? Oh! Hey Andy. Yeah, Andy? Yeah? I think you can miss jackpot. Jackpot! Jackpot! Oh, man. Jackpot. Pretty stylish.
No, you ready? This is what you do. You run, drop the bike, keep talking.
Hi.